Welcome to this magnificent showcase of modern architecture, where every angle, every line, and every detail has been carefully crafted to create a harmonious blend of luxury and simplicity. As you first set your eyes on this home, you are greeted by a striking facade that speaks volumes of contemporary elegance, crisp white frames contrasted against deep black panels, creating a visual rhythm that is both bold and calming. The symmetrical layout gives a sense of order and sophistication, while the expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls invite the outdoors in, blurring the boundary between the natural surroundings and the carefully designed living spaces. As the golden light of evening filters through the large windows, the interior comes alive with a warm, welcoming glow that makes this modern structure feel like a true sanctuary. Moving closer, the outdoor terrace reveals itself as a perfect extension of the indoor living areas. Spacious, inviting, and thoughtfully designed for both comfort and style. Plush seating arrangements invite you to sit back and relax, while the built-in fireplace offers a cozy ambience for cool nights spent under the open sky. The manicured lawn stretches out in front, its rich green hue providing a soft contrast to the sharp architectural lines of the home. Framed by tall, slender trees, the house is nestled in a setting that feels private yet open, secluded yet connected to nature. Step inside, and the story of this home continues to unfold. The interior spaces are a masterclass in modern design, open-plan layouts that flow effortlessly from one area to the next, with every piece of furniture carefully chosen to complement the overall aesthetic. Soft, neutral tones create a serene atmosphere, while subtle lighting highlights architectural features and adds depth to the rooms. The living area, visible through the glass, is arranged to encourage conversation and relaxation, with comfortable sofas and elegant decor that reflects a refined taste. The dining area, seamlessly connected to the outdoors, offers a beautiful space for meals with family and friends, surrounded by views of the garden and bathed in natural light. Upstairs, the balcony serves as a peaceful retreat, a private haven where you can enjoy the beauty of the surroundings in quiet solitude. The upper floor mirrors the clean lines and open feel of the lower level, with bedrooms designed to be both functional and luxurious. Each room offers large windows that frame picturesque views of the landscape, allowing you to wake up each morning to the calming sight of nature. Every pathway, every corner of the garden, and every material used in this home reflects a commitment to quality and design excellence. The stone pathway leading up to the entrance, bordered by delicate white pebbles, adds a touch of elegance and guides you gently towards the heart of the home. At night, the strategic lighting transforms the house into a glowing beacon, highlighting its modern silhouette against the dark backdrop of trees. This is not just a house, it is a living, breathing space designed to elevate everyday living into an art form. It's a sanctuary where modern luxury meets timeless beauty, where every sunset casts a golden glow on walls that seem to breathe with the rhythms of the day. Whether you're enjoying a quiet evening by the fire, hosting friends on the terrace, or simply admiring the seamless design from afar, this home offers an experience of comfort, style, and serenity that is truly unmatched.